Hi guys and welcome back to Discover with Adam, and today's topic is about single-use plastics. I can start with the boring bit and list all the facts about single-use plastics. If I did that, my blog would be no different to all the hundreds and thousands of other blogs out there. I am going to keep it simple and start with a very short history lesson to bring us all up to speed with what has happened in the past. Single-use plastics have always been around for as far back as I can remember, and I'm 8 years. Well, matter of fact, they have been part of our lives for over decades, way before I was born. For many years, plastic has weaved its way deep into our lives. Just like a bad habit, we started to think we can't live without it. We're living it, right? I mean, we're skipping dishwashing chores, having disposable plasticware, very cheap to buy, not mentioning they're strong and light. Not surprising we're using tons of this stuff. Life is good, right? Remember, life is good only if we recycle. Now, how can I express how important it is to recycle? I got this. I know. No, I don't. Got this, followers. Time for a story. This is a story of 4 empty water bottles, lonely and confused. Their journeys are going to teach us all a valuable lesson. I'm going to take a few minutes of your time to show you how our actions can impact the world. Bottle 1. Like hundreds and thousands like it, end up as litter in the streets or landfills when it is thrown away in the rubbish bin instead of the recycling bin. It can take bottle 1 a very long time. I'm talking thousands of years to decompose. Bottle 2's journey is stranger but unfortunately no happier. It is blown into a stream that flows into a river that reaches the ocean. After months floating on the surface, it might be swallowed by seabirds or fish as they mistake the brightly coloured plastic for food. Plastics make them feel full when they're not, so they starve to death. Lost at sea, if not already eaten, bottle 2 begins to break down into smaller pieces called microplastics, which will roam the surface and the depths of the sea for thousands of years. Unfortunately, these specks of plastic will be consumed by sea life. Let's look at this in detail. A salmon that's ate a smaller fish that had previously gobbled the shrimp whose stomach is full of plastic debris, and that salmon ends up on your dinner plate. Like this. Hiya! Sad news. That plastic is moving up the food chain into our stomachs. Yes, SpongeBob and Patrick, you heard me. Be careful out there. Right then, bottle 3. Well, bottle 3 on the other hand is put in the recycling bin, carted out in time for fortnightly collection. The council trucks it out of the neighbourhood and takes it to a recycling plant. It is shredded along with other plastics into tiny pieces which are washed and melted, and as if by magic it is reborn to something new. Finally, bottle 4. Well, bottle 4 is not a single-use plastic bottle. It's been with me for over 2 years. Living a life of luxury, we travel to school together. It sits on my desk taking good care of me, keeping me hydrated. After a long hard day at school, it sits on the bedside cabinet at my service. Let me introduce you to... Yellow! So, what have we learned? Here's the tragic truth when it comes to bottle 1 and 2. The recycling triangle breaks down. Just think about this for a minute. How long did you use your coffee stirrer or plastic straw or cup this morning? Less than 6 minutes, I'm guessing. Yet, if not recycled, it will persist in our environment for over hundreds of thousands of years. Now, this is a serious problem. Our plastic waste has invaded the highest mountains and deepest oceans. No one knows how long it will take to disappear. Did you see Mr. Dodo? a blind eye does not mean the rubbish disappears, people. I know on my own I can't change the world, but together we can make a big, huge difference. Think outside the box, like me. Why don't you do what I did? Buy a reusable bottle and then you can cut down on recycling. All I wish for is that yep, I'm pointing at you to take something positive away from my video, and let's improve our future together. If you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button, and tell me what my next video could be about in the comment section below. Till next time guys, peace out.